Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Black C, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about Shiba Inu coin, one of the top 3 meme coins in the entire cryptocurrency space. I want to give you guys my opinion on where I think it could be headed here. So without further ado, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop into this video, guys. All right, so first things first, over on crypto Twitter, you can follow me at 333BlackC. I say Pepe may just be the third musketeer with Shib and Doge. Do you think there is a different meme coin that deserves that spot? You know, guys, does Pepe deserve to be in the same spot as Shib and Doge? Let me know in the comment section below, because I do believe that Shiba Inu has really proven the test of time. Sure, Dogecoin has Elon Musk backing him, backing them, him, it, whatever you want to call it, the dog, backing the Doge. And Shiba Inu has become more than a meme coin. It actually has shibaswap. It has an ecosystem. It has bone. It has a leash. And I do think that Shiba Inu will perform very well this bull market. This next leg up, I'm expecting explosive price action. Smash that like button if you think the same thing is going to happen. So let's talk about Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu right now is sitting at an $8 billion market cap. That's absolutely insane. It is a meme coin, and we're sitting in the second place for meme coins versus Doge. Then it is Shiba Inu, and then it's Pepe. And you know, guys, I do think Pepe is a nice contender, but that's for a different video. Shiba Inu sitting at an $8 billion market cap is absolutely insane. I do think, though, I do see a world where we do see a I say over $10+ billion Shiba Inu. I think that's definitely on the table. I think breaking previous highs is definitely on the table, especially if Bitcoin decides to make a new all-time high here, guys. And I do think that's going to happen. I think it's going to happen sooner than people expect. I think this sideways chop has really bored everybody to death, and I think that we're getting closer and closer to this breakout. Let's just hope that breakout's to the upside, because usually when you get a pinching motion like this, usually there's a breakout. Hopefully it's to the upside and not to the downside. And we'll take a look at Bitcoin towards the end of this video. So Shiba Inu right now is sitting just perfectly on this support level. We broke down from about 4 zeros, 2.5, 2.9, and now we're sitting at a nice 4 zeros, 1.346, about 50% down, I believe, from previous highs here, from the local high, I believe, at about 70%. You know, it sounds like that's a lot, but it's really not. When you compare it to some of these other coins that are down 95%, you know, in my last Shiba Inu video, I was talking about how a coin can come down 80%. And people say, well, it can only come down 20 more percent. No, it can come down another 90%. Your money can get halved and halved and halved and halved until it's zero, basically, or a few pennies. And I do want to say and emphasize, guys, a 70% drawdown is nothing to scoff at, but at the same time, Shiba Inu is holding up relatively well. An $8 billion market cap, pretty incredible to see. I think we're going to get a nice bounce off this as long as Bitcoin decides to play nice. And I do think Bitcoin is going to play nice, especially with some of the things I'm seeing playing out in Market Cipher. And we do see a very nice green dot here on Market Cipher on Shiba Inu, looking at the weekly time frame. And we're starting to see this curved up just barely. There's some money flow. It's kind of clipping down, which you don't really want to see. But I'll tell you what, there is money flow there on the weekly, and I do expect this to slowly curve up, especially when Bitcoin makes a move to the upside. These meme coins are just cooking, waiting for big moves to the upside, guys. They're waiting for a King BTC to say, okay, let's go, guys. Let's make this next move to the upside. Let's make that final move to the upside. And in my opinion, I do think it will be the final move to the upside for this cycle. Really important you guys catch that part, for this cycle. Guys, if you do want to trade some of these meme coins, you want to catch some of these, you want 100x along Shiba Inu and get a $100 trade turning into $1 million trade. I'm exaggerating, but if you guys do want to do some leverage trading on some of these meme coins, please check out in the description box below and the pinned comment. We have a $5,000 sign-on bonus to Blowfin. They've got literally so many memes to be leverage traded with on Blowfin. It's a very fun place to play around. I've been enjoying myself there. Also, we have a $4,100 sign-up bonus to fomc. It's a little bit more for Bitcoin and some of the other altcoins, but I will say, guys, Blowfin has been quite attractive when it comes to meme coins. When the meme coin mania comes back, I'd really recommend checking that place out. But so let's take a look at the overall market right now. Bitcoin is trading at $57,721, up about 0.87% on the day. The market can't really make its mind up here. We're still chopping around, but that chop is getting tighter and tighter and tighter, guys. And you know what happens? It can only get so tight before there's going to be an explosion, and that will happen sooner than you guys expect. Bitcoin dominance trading at 56.04%. When you exclude stablecoins, we're trading at 58.04%. Bitcoin dominance still topped out, in my opinion, still coming down. I don't expect Bitcoin dominance to rally to 60%, but I do expect it at some point until we see that big move to the upside, breaking out of that channel on Bitcoin above, let's say, this yellow line about 74,000, making new all-time highs, or breaking below this broadening wedge around basically 49,000. I wouldn't be surprised to see Bitcoin dominance starting to pick up if we break below 53,000 to be exact as well. I do think that anytime we start breaking below that, you should expect dominance to start to rally and the altcoins to get hurt very badly. And you know, guys, I don't like being the bearer of bad news, but I'm just transparent here. That's all I want to be, is transparent. Tell you guys what I'm seeing in these markets. I've been trading in these markets for nearly a decade now, and I try to give you guys some lessons based on the hard lessons that I've learned throughout trading in the cryptocurrency space. And sometimes that is not being blinded by bias and really looking through the charts and looking through your bias and seeing, hey, okay, you know, this may be bearish even though I'm very, very heavily invested in cryptocurrency. Sometimes it's important and mature to think of it that way. You want to be emotionally mature when it comes to trading. But when we are looking at the daily on Bitcoin, there are some bullish signs. We see a nice green dot here, a BitBoy green dot, some people like to call it, is very, very nice, and usually that means we're going to start to see a move to the upside on the daily, which is very, very cool. We can see we're starting to get a little bit of curvature here. We really, really want to see that move into the weekly time frame, because the weekly time frame is a little bit more bearish, and you're also seeing RSI start to coil up, which is very, very good. I like to see that. Hopefully we see this continue, and I do think that we probably see a little bit of a continuation here for the rest of this week, but we really need to pay attention to the weekly. Weekly cannot make its mind up. It is very, very mixed signals here. And I would be, if I were to be longing Bitcoin right now, I'd be longing it specifically on the daily. I would not want to be, or I would not feel comfortable holding it for a swing long for, say, a weekly time frame, in my opinion. Not financial advice. You may say, Black Sea, you're crazy. We're going straight to the moon right now. And I would say, more power to you. Check out those links in the description box. But I'll be honest with you guys. I do think that the weekly is a little bit more sketchy than the daily. But that being said, we could see the daily move into the weekly. If the daily continues this move to the upside and we can make our way to the top of this channel, then I would say, all right, if we can make a higher low, like say around 63, 60, if we can close above $62,000 on the weekly, I would say, okay, we're probably headed up here to the top of this channel. Enough people think that it's over and a bear market's coming, so now we can go to the moon. That's unfortunately how it goes, guys. When everybody leaves the cryptocurrency space and crypto Twitter gets extremely quiet and not too many people are watching the videos, it's how you know, okay, we're probably getting ready to see a large move to the upside. That's usually how it goes, because when everybody leaves, that's when the market makers send it to the moon. That's just how it goes, guys. And you guys know when that happens, you're going to see Shiba Inu. You're going to see Dogecoin. You're going to see Pepe. You're going to see Dog with Fat. You're going to see all these meme coins absolutely fly. And, you know, we have been rewarded a little bit. In the past 7 days, we're up about 3% on Shiba Inu. A lot of these memes are getting some life breathed back into them. But I will be honest with you guys. I think right now we keep our eyes on Bitcoin. Look for those weekly candle closures above $62,000. And then we keep our eyes on the utility coins. We look at Solana. We look at Ethereum. We expect to see those coins make some moves, because I do think that the meme coin mania has somewhat died down. I mean, it's honestly dead at this point. I believe the daily coins getting created on Solana has dropped, I think, nearly 80% since the meme coin mania at the peak, which is pretty crazy. There's still like thousands of coins getting created every day, but there was at one point, I believe it was like 100,000 coins getting created per day on Solana, which is absolutely insane to think about. That being said, guys, I do think that you should not expect Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and these bigger cap meme coins to really rally until you see some of this liquidity get moved into the utility coins. I think that now is kind of the time where the narrative is going to shift, where people are going to be looking for actual investments and not ready to gamble. But trust me, that time will come. The meme coin gambling season will come again. We just have to wait for the money to flow back to it. And it probably will be much, much bigger than the meme coin season we just saw recently. So don't be down on your luck or upset that I'm saying that to not expect a meme coin rally, a meme coin mania season to happen just right away, because I do expect it to happen. And I expect it to be larger than it has ever been before. So keep your eyes wide open for that, guys. But guys, if you like this type of content, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Do you think that Shiba Inu will break previous all-time highs this cycle? I think that yes. I think it's possible, especially if the overall cryptocurrency market cap breaks above $3 trillion. It makes its way to $4 trillion. Let's hope for a $4 trillion market cap. I think it's possible. Then I will say that definitely we will see. And I don't like to talk in definites, but if Bitcoin and the overall cryptocurrency market cap can break $4 trillion, I will say that there's a very, very high probability Shiba Inu will perform very, very well and break previous highs. But that's all I got for you guys. Please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Check out those fantastic referral links down below in the description box and the pinned comment. If you guys want to get some free money, some great sign-on bonuses, $5,000 sign-on bonus to Blowfin, $4,100 to Femex. That's all I got for you guys. I will see you in the next one.